In this video today we'll be talking about how to get rid of stubborn creases in your rubber membrane. There's two types of creases. You've got your manufacturer creases and your transit creases. So transit creases are made over a couple of days. This is from the time the guys cut the rubber, wrap it up and send it out to the customer. This will be in this state for a couple of days until the membrane has been delivered. So these transit creases are nothing to worry about. Once you've let the rubber relax and once it's been glued, they won't be visible. So manufacturer creases are a little bit different. Because the rubber's manufactured in the States, it can take up to 12 months for the rubber to reach our warehouse. So the rolls are quite large, some are 15 by 30 metres. This means there's quite a considerable amount of weight in them. This means that some manufacturer folds can create more stubborn creases.
My hands are getting cold. Ready? So the rubber's on the roof now. We've found a stubborn crease or creases. We've let it relax for an hour. That hasn't helped. So now we know we need to use contact adhesive. It's also quite cold today. It's just over 4 degrees. So we're going to use this heat gun down here just to warm the creases up a little bit, and it will help them drop out slightly. In the summer, the sun would do this for you, but this will help when it's cold. So we're going to roll the rubber back now, just fold it over, and then we're going to start heating the creases up with the heat gun. Okay. So we'll fold this back first. This will take about 5 minutes to do. Yeah. Oh yeah. So you can see how much the heat gun has helped now. They're a lot less prominent. It doesn't have to be a heat gun though, any heat source will do just to heat them creases up. So we need both adhesives to hand now because we're going to be using them at the same time. So we'll roll the membrane back nice and tight as we normally would until we find the start of the creases. So once we've found the start of the crease, we're going to apply contact to the deck where the crease is going to lie and also onto the back of the rubber where the actual crease is. And all we'll need to do is apply the water base to the side of it where the creased area is. Because the membrane's rolled up, you're going to have to do this in stages, so you're only going to be able to do about 4 to 6 inches at a time. This is the same principle if the This would be the same principle if the creased area was in the middle as well. You just contact the creased area and then water based either side of it. So just remember to get your hands underneath the roll. Make sure you're getting good contact with the deck as you push it out. So as you can see, these creases are flat to the deck now. There is a slight discoloration, that's just from where the talc was sitting in the grooves of the crease. This will wash away once the rains hit it. Remember, only a small percentage of the roofs that we supply come with these creases, but this is definitely the easiest way to deal with them. I hope that all made sense. Like and subscribe for more.